Hey guys, it's your girl Kai and I'm back with another video in a long time. I know you guys like probably miss me or something, or you guys don't even care, or you guys even forgot about me. But I'm back with another video in a long time. I haven't forgot about you guys. I just had to take a break for a little bit. Cause yeah. And I'm back with another IMVU video. I know you guys was waiting for this. You guys were waiting for this. And I haven't been on this in a long time. And that's my little sister going in and out. And she probably made noise because she likes to irritate me a lot. But yeah guys. So I haven't been on this in a long time. So let's check the inboxes, friend requests. I accept all friend requests. You heard. But yeah, let's go to friends. Let's see whose birthday. The birthday to happy early birthday. Alright. So happy early birthday and happy birthday to all you guys who had the birthdays and who is going to have birthdays. So yeah guys, let's just change my outfit first, and then we're gonna go to a chat room, and then and some of you guys, someone said that when your IMVU looks better than like you or something like that. To be honest, like everyone knows that I'm not an ugly person. I'm like way far from an ugly person, and who are you to judge? And who are you? Like really, I don't even know you. But anyway, I know that's probably like, what are you you guys probably like saying, what are you talking about? And of course you wouldn't know, but I just had to say something like that. But let's just put on something that like I would like, because yeah, that's what I do. And I believe there's some new stuff on here. It's some new stuff. Like I haven't seen these before. I really haven't. And I almost forgot how to work IMV. I forgot how to work IMVU. I'm dang, I ain't been on here in a long time. See, guys, like this video if you want to see a sim video. Of Sims, because I have the Sims and I've been playing the Sims a lot. And they are, I love this so much. But I don't think I can record playing the Sims. I don't know. I probably can't, but yeah, and like if you guys want to see me go CC shopping, Sim, you know, if you play Sims, you will know what I'm talking about. But yeah. So I got this control thing is up with the Sims. So yeah, I think she's gonna wear that because it's cute. It's cute. And shoes. Like these are some new stuff. For real, these are some new stuff. I haven't even seen this before. Whoever did this, thank you so much. I appreciate you. But for real, I really do appreciate you. Yeah. So hairstyles. Turn around, sis. Turn around. Turn around. Is that you? Is that you? Okay. What is this? What the? Hold on. Cause I forget. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's cute. Okay. Let's see. This some new stuff, and I got like 1,000. Like, thank you guys for whoever that did this. Thank you so much. I don't know how to get all this stuff. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. I think she's pretty. She's cute. Oh. Would you like to say before it's say? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I'm just gonna say it. My bad. Your outfit was saved. Thanks. So let's go to shop and see what they have new. Cause I be mindful that I haven't been on here like in a long time, so I do not know what they have. And things change over the time. So let me move me over there and let's see what they have. That is cute. Like, look, these some hoops that I have on, and I love hoops. Let's try this on. See how she looks. Well, I probably gotta take that hair off that she had on. Yes, I have to take that hair off that she had on. But I don't want to spend my credits in like all in one. That's something I'm not gonna do. So let's just change her hair to like push it back ponytail or something like this, so I can see how the earrings look. Cause I love hoop earrings. What is this? Yes. Oh my. I love this, guys. I love this. I really do love this, but I know I'm not even gonna spit my mouth. I really do love this look. Like, she's so cute. But yeah, I just want to see what they had, you know, the newest stuff, just for a little bit. And now I'm about to go to. So let's go to chat rooms. Let's see what's going on in the chat rooms. I haven't been in the chat rooms before. In a long time. Let's go to Flawless. And if you guys didn't know, I love Beyonce so much. That is my favorite. My favorite. I would like to meet her one day. Like, I would like to meet her. But yeah, oh, they talking Spanish in here. Okay, it's going slow. That's one thing I hate. That's one thing I hate. And our outfit, what we try to do is just try to keep it clean and classy, basic, everything. I'm talking about on here. But that's one thing I hate about this. It goes slow. And it gets on my nerves a lot. Oh. So, I thought they loaded, but it's just, oh my gosh. So what we got going on up in here? We have a tall dude, a girl named Jade that said hey. I'm finna say what? Oh, another tall person right there. Oh my. No. I'm gonna say, hey. Like, hey, I'm in this zing. Bitty bitty da. Oh, bitty bitty da. Anyway. Let's see, it's like, oh, it's like so laggy and everything. But, let's see how. What? Oh my gosh, like, Imvu really, like, we are so short compared to them. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so short. Why am I so short? Oh, yeah, it's me. I'm short. I'm just short. I want to be short. It's cute. Let's see what she's saying. No, I don't want to see what she's saying because she's probably talking to me. Girl, that is not me. Had to leave that chat room because it was lame. So I'm going to this one thing. It said hiring, and so they said hiring. So she said, "What a cute right here." Man, the thing won't even let me type. I tell you I am you. I tell you. And then, but for real though. Damn, right here. I wish you would say something smart. But anyway, can I answer this? Wait, guys, like I gotta get used to this because I'm used to playing The Sims. Like I gotta get used to this. It's Kaya Fort. Get used to this. So how you make? So how you make an emoji? Wait, it said I know some who might. Oh, let me see his chat. I know some who might want to link up with you. Me, I don't know. Damn! Oh my, I'm gonna say, oh my. Oh my. Hey. Oh no. But for real, guys, I'm about to end this video in just a minute. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm here. I'm back. I'm still alive. I haven't forgot about you guys. But yes, guys, I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I want you better as ever. What y'all doing? And me too. I need to make up with Tuesdays. But anyway, guys, so I just want to let you guys know that I'm back, and I said that last time too, and I had to take a break, another break. But anyway, guys, hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys feel me, and I hope you guys leave a like, cause that's what you do. Okay, and my Snapchat and my Instagram will be in the description box down below, so you make sure add me down below. And so yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video. Bye.